I am starting a campaign to raise awareness for the cruelty inflicted on sharks for the soup, shark fin soup. When I was 12 years old, I got to travel to Hawaii and go snorkeling to experience how great the ocean was. Once I turned 14, I became a certified scuba diver and decided I wanted to learn more about the deep blue ocean. Once I turned 16, I got to go to the Bahamas and go snooping with sharks. After that experience, I realized how gentle the creatures really were and knew I had to advocate for their safety. Which is why I'm starting the campaign Start to Finish, which raises awareness for sharks and the cruelty that is inflicted upon them. Once a shark is pulled onto a boat, its fins are cut off while the animal is still alive. Once the fins have been removed, the shark is thrown back into the water, the whole body and all, to either bleed to death, drown, or be devoured by other sharks, which means shark finning is very wasteful. Approximately 23 to 76 million sharks are killed each year for their fins alone. The problem with this is that sharks take 15 years to reach sexual maturity and usually only reproduce one, which means that the chance of them making a quick comeback is quite unlikely. I believe that many people hunt sharks because they are afraid of them, but in actuality, you are more likely to be struck by lightning while playing golf than be attacked by a shark. I invite you to join my next board meeting where we will discuss how to make our dream a reality to save the sharks. So I entreat you to raise a fin to save a fin.